wired microphone is stretchable and easy to bend, making it suitable for any situation. The voice amplifier has a sleek design and is very easy to use. The adjustable strap is very helpful when using the voice amplifier portably. You just need to connect the microphone to the amplifier using a 3.5mm audio jack.
Speaker mode.
There are 3 modes to choose from. There are speaker mode, Bluetooth mode, and FM mode.
FM mode. Speaker mode.
There is a memory card slot, a 3.5mm audio jack port, a USB port, and a DC port.
Bluetooth mode.
It can be easily connected to Bluetooth using any device that supports Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connected.
Dapat gratuity. RM500 dapat. RM500. Tak benar sekali dapat duit RM500. Betul dapat RM500. Apa dia buat tuan-tuan? Ni Nabi kata, wa kasratil mal. Dia nak bagi banyak lagi duit RM500 tu. Siapa akan main BC kat dia? Ni main masuknya, ni skim ni bagus. Yang ni mic ni. Yang ni tak hilang ni. Yang ni dia ada dalam bentuk mic masuk. Dia ni main abang pula. Yang ni ada skim biji.
It uses a DC 9 volts power adapter with a charging time, approximately 3 to 5 hours.
This is a system that has a little belt clip that you can attach to your belt, or it comes with a strap so you can carry it over your shoulder as you walk about the classroom. Also comes with a microphone, goes over your ears like this. On the other end, go ahead and take off the plastic cap, and you'll plug it in where it says mic. There are 2 knobs on this belt pack. Go ahead and turn it, one that says off and on.
Speaker mode.
Go ahead and turn it on. The other knob says reverb. You don't need to do anything with that one at all. This is a pretty simple device. It's got a charger with it. Go ahead and charge it overnight. You probably need about 4 hours to get a complete charge, and then it should be all ready to go for when you teach
Thank
next
you for
time.
watching. You can click the Shopee link I've shared to buy this excellent product.